Welcome to Circa Resort and Casino in downtown Las Vegas, the ultimate 21 and over adults only playground. Stay tuned as I take you on a full tour of this modern hotel, sharing our experience at Circa Swim and showing you why it deserves a spot at the top of your list when visiting downtown Vegas. And the best part? It's located right on the iconic Fremont Street, putting you in the middle of all the action. As we walked in, security checked IDs since Circa is an adults-only resort, and immediately, you're greeted by the energy of the casino floor. Rows of slot machines glow with colorful lights, the constant buzz and chime filling the air, and the atmosphere immediately draws you in. The design is sleek and modern, with soaring ceilings, wide walkways, and a lively vibe that feels both upscale and electric. Exactly the kind of welcome you expect in Las Vegas. We checked in at the VIP lounge since we were able to do a status match with our high tier status at MGM. This gave us access to a more private and comfortable check-in experience away from the main desk. The staff were welcoming, the process was smooth, and it felt like a great perk to kick off our stay at Circa. We highly recommend Circa Resort and Casino in Las Vegas. You can save up to 40% off on stays at places like Circa by booking through planin.com. For example, let's look at pricing for Circa for a 2-night stay for 2 adults on October 21st to the 23rd using planin.com. As you can see, planin.com offers a sizable 37% discount at Circa Las Vegas. Check out this massive 48% discount at Golden Nugget Hotel and Casino. Or how about the luxurious Cosmopolitan Las Vegas, which gets a sizable 21% off standard rates. As you can see, planin.com can save you a lot of money when booking your hotel stays. So what's the catch? You have to be a Planin member and logged in to be able to access these discounts. But the best part is that being a member is completely free. All you have to do is sign up for a free account and be logged in to Planin to access these discounts. If you sign up using our referral link in the description or scanning the QR code, you really help out our channel and allow us to bring you more hotel videos like this. Now, let's head up to our room on the 17th floor. Let's check out room 1719 here at the Circa Las Vegas. This is a 2-king room with pool view. So as soon as you walk in, there's this large full body mirror that has lighting all around it. And the small closet is right here. Let's check it out. So they have a steamer, a safe, and a couple of storage shelves. See, we have all our luggage here already. And there's a small closet right beside it with some hangers and a luggage rack. Okay, let's close that up. Now let's check out the bathroom, which has this large sliding door. Has dual sinks and dual lighted mirrors that you can adjust with these buttons here. So you can darken it or brighten it up. And they do provide lotion and soap on both sides. And they also have a hairdryer down here below. So here's a small vanity mirror right there and a chair. And here's the toilet, which is wide open. There's no door here, so there's no privacy. And this classic Vegas wallpaper. Now let's check out the shower. It's a very nice marble shower. There's a shower right there. They do provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And there's a bench there. So that's actually very nice. And I forgot to mention this, by the door, they have these controls for the lights and for privacy or service. Now let's check out the rest of the room. So we have this small office desk with an ice bucket and a couple of glasses, this lamp here, and a bunch of charging ports. So there's a USB-A, USB-C, and some power outlets. And I like this because they have a small fridge that you can actually use, that they don't fill it up with a bunch of drinks for purchase. There's the TV. It looks like a
frame TV. It looks very cool. And you can put your luggage here or store it down there below. Now let's check out the rest of the bedroom. So there's this very nice circular mirror right there. And the two king-size beds. I don't see any plugs over here in the middle, but there's this tablet that has information about the hotel. So let's press this button. Doesn't want to work, but let's see. It doesn't want to work right now, but you can see all the information about the hotel here. Actually, here are the power outlets. So they do have one right here. And this panel controls all the lights here. And these two king-size beds are very large beds, and it's very soft and comfy. They have this single lounge chair here with this classic looking lamp, and they have this Vegas Vicky piece of art here, which is, they have a bar downstairs. It's called Vegas Vicky, so we'll check that out later. And we have this great view of Stadium Swim, which is probably the best part of this hotel. So overall, this is a very nice modern room here at the Circa Las Vegas.
The main reason we stayed at Circa was Stadium Swim, the massive rooftop pool amphitheater. This place is unlike anything else in Las Vegas, with 6 heated pools spread across multiple levels and a gigantic 143-foot screen playing sports and live events all day long. The vibe here is non-stop energy, music pumping, people hanging out in the pools, and sports fans locked into the action on the big screen. We were here during opening weekend of the NFL and reserved 2 lower-level cabanas from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Each cabana came with comfortable seating, TVs, plenty of shade, and our own dedicated server for food and drinks. It was definitely a splurge at $3,000 consumable spend per cabana, but if you're with a group, it's an epic way to enjoy game day in Las Vegas. Now, let's check out the variety of dining options at Circa. Start your morning at Jackpots with freshly brewed coffee, espresso, and pastries, the perfect way to fuel up for the day. Saginaw's Delicacy is open 24/7, serving mile-high sandwiches, comforting soups, and classic favorites anytime you're hungry. For game day vibes, Victory Burger and Wings is a perfect spot, serving up big juicy burgers, crispy wings, and ice-cold beer right next to the action. And just steps away is Circa's crown jewel, the world's largest sportsbook. This 3-story arena features a massive 143-foot HD screen, stadium-style seating, and non-stop energy. It's the ultimate place in Vegas to watch and bet on sports. 8 East offers bold Asian fusion flavors with shareable plates, bao, noodles, and skewers, ideal for groups or adventurous eaters. Outside on Fremont Street, Project Barbecue smokes up delicious brisket, pulled pork, and other barbecue favorites. And on the lower level, don't miss Barry's Downtown Prime, where vintage Vegas steakhouse vibes meet premium cuts, seafood towers, and craft cocktails, perfect for a special night out. Now, let's check out the bars and lounges at Circa. First up is Vegas Vicky's. This lounge celebrates the iconic Vegas Vicky neon sign, blending vintage Vegas charm with modern style. It's lively, colorful, and perfect for cocktails in a legendary setting. Stretching an incredible 165 feet, Mega Bar holds the title of the longest indoor bar in Las Vegas. With non-stop energy, dozens of beer taps, and wall-to-wall TVs, this spot is perfect for grabbing a drink and diving right into the Circa vibe. Located above the sportsbook, Overhang Bar gives you a bird's eye view of the action below. Sip craft cocktails while keeping an eye on the live games. Right on Fremont Street, Circa Bar serves 24 frozen cocktail flavors. Grab a colorful drink, watch the light shows, and enjoy the electric energy of downtown Vegas from the heart of the action. Perched on the 60th floor, the Legacy Club is Circa's rooftop lounge with breathtaking panoramic views of Las Vegas. Cozy fire pits, elegant seating, and expertly crafted cocktails make it the ultimate spot to catch the sunset or enjoy a night under the stars. Circa may be all about the action, but it also has a few convenient shops right inside the resort. You'll find Circa Collections, the hotel's retail shop where you can pick up everything from Vegas souvenirs and branded merchandise to clothing, swimwear, and accessories, perfect if you forgot something for Stadium Swim. There's also an essential style shop with snacks, drinks, and travel necessities, so you don't have to step outside the hotel if you need a quick grab-and-go item. And for sports fans, you can grab your favorite team's hats and gear at Lids, so you're always game day ready. I'm at the fitness center on the 5th floor, so there's no one in here, which is good. So let's see what they have. So they have several exercise machines here. They got some free weights and a couple of benches, and they have kettlebells over there as well. Let's see what's on this side. They have a couple of exercise bikes, 2 ellipticals, and 3 treadmills. So this is cool because I didn't even think they would have a gym here at the Circa. Circa isn't just about gaming and nightlife. It also has a collection of modern ballrooms and event spaces, perfect for any occasion, from weddings and galas to business meetings and private parties. Even the parking experience at Circa is next level thanks to Garage Mahal. This isn't your typical Vegas parking garage. It's modern, brightly lit, and designed with convenience in mind. With plenty of space for cars and ride shares, it makes getting in and out of downtown Las Vegas a breeze. One of the best things about Circa is its location. It sits right in the heart of Fremont Street, so the moment you walk outside, you're surrounded by the vibrant energy of downtown Las Vegas. You're steps away from the Fremont Street experience with live music, street performers, and a dazzling Viva Vision light show overhead. Plus, there are countless bars, restaurants, and classic casinos just outside the door. Staying here means you get modern luxury inside the resort while still being connected to the old school charm and non-stop excitement that makes downtown Las Vegas unique. So this glass window right here has pretty good soundproofing, but you can still hear the music from the pool, so that might be an issue for you if you're a light sleeper. And that wraps up our stay at Circa Resort and Casino in downtown Las Vegas. We really enjoyed our spacious modern 2-king room, which had plenty of comfort and style to make the trip feel special. The highlight, of course, was our day at Stadium Swim. Watching NFL opening weekend from our cabanas with that massive screen and incredible atmosphere was an experience like no other. On top of that, the hotel offers a wide variety of dining options, from quick bites to fine dining, so there's something for every craving. And the moment you step outside, you're right in the middle of all the action on Fremont Street. Circa perfectly blends modern luxury with the non-stop energy of downtown, and we had an amazing time here. If you're looking for a stylish, adults-only resort with non-stop energy and one-of-a-kind amenities, Circa is definitely worth checking out. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future hotel tours and travel guides.